Good morning, dear students. We'll continue today also from last unit. What was the last unit? Uh, we had learned vertically opposite angles. What was the vertically opposite angles? If you have two straight lines and they are intersect, so interior angles always equal to each other. This was like the rule of scissors. It's like scissors. So the inside of scissors also interior angles of scissors are equal to each other. For example, this side is x, so also must be x. And for example, if the left side of the its shape is y because of its two straight lines intersect, and the right side of the this shape is equal to each other. So y is equal to y exactly, and x is equal to x. So if this straight line is supplementary angles, what was a supplementary? Add up to 180. So x plus y is 180 degree must be. So because of its straight line. And also this straight line must be is equal to 180. So in other words, it's supplementary angles. Okay, today also we will continue from this unit using angle relationships to find unknown angles. The relationships between angles can be used to work out the side of unknown angles. Follow these easy steps. There we have 4 steps. We should follow that. Identify the relationship and make an equation. Give reasons for statements. Solve the equation to find a known value. So there we have 3 examples. Let's start with solved examples because of their solutions already shown on the right side of the paper. Find the size of angle marked x in each of these figures. Give reasons. So we need the x. The first shape, what do you see is, yes, square. As you see, the all sides are equal to each other. All sides are the same. So, and it has got 4 sides. So that's why it's called square. And what was the properties of square? So all sides are equal and lengths exactly. And also angles must be equal. And what is the interior angle of rectangle or square? Is 360 degree because it has got 4 angles, and when you divide by 360 by 4 you'll get 90 degree, so right angle. And then the angle of B, as you see there we have 72 and plus x must be is equal to how much is 90. Yes, because of its square first of all and a right angle, and one angle of that this square must be is equal to 90 degree, and it has got 2 values in a first one is 72 and the second one is a noun x. So we'll make an equation from here and you'll find the x. So 72 plus x is equal to 90 degree. From here you'll get the x is equal to 90 minus 72. Okay, and exactly automatically the sign of 72 changed to minus to negative, and x is equal to 18 degree. So when we will put the place of x 18, you will get 90 of the angle of B. Yes, as you see also the answer is 18, and if you want you can stop the video and please read the explanation or reasons. And option B, there we have straight line and it has got a right angle. So we need the angle of EFJ. EFJ. So X. So how can you find it? First of all, look there carefully. It's straight line. Okay. EFG is straight line. And what was the straight line? The supplementary angles. So supplementary angle means they add up to 180. Okay, there we have 3 values. First of all, the angle of F or JF K is 90, okay, 90 degree plus. And what is the second value of this straight line is X and plus. And what is the third value of this straight line is 48. And it must be is equal to 180, or straight line add up to 180 degree. Okay, so from here 90 plus 48 is 138. Then X is equal to 180 degree minus, what is the sum of these two value? 138. Yeah, 38. Yes, the automatically also sign is changed, so that's why X is equal to, I mean, it's 40. Yes, 42 degree. So the X is equal to 42. And yes, here also you can read the reasons. You can see that 48 and the right angle and X are angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So you can rearrange to make X the subject. Okay. I'm so sorry, I'm very illness, so that's why. Just a moment. Okay, let's go on. So, and what about question C? What about the question C? Is yes, vertical opposite. If you remember, yes, vertical opposite, like vertical opposite, and the rule of scissors. So if the X is our interior angle of this shape, and also 30 must be equal to X. So X is equal to 30, or 30 is equal to X. So the answer is just 30 degree. You know that when two lines intersect, the resulting vertical opposite angles are equal. So X and 30 is equal. And what is the this side of the straight line is 180 degree minus X. And also this side also must be 180 minus X. Okay. So there we have exercise 3.3, and as many types of exercise examples. And I want to show the sum of them. In the following diagram, name a pair of complementary angles. What was the complementary? Straight line? No, not straight line. Right angle? Yes. When you add up two values, you'll get 90 degree. For example, X plus Y is 90 degree. So this one is complementary angles. And what was the supplementary? Is also X plus Y must be equal to 100, add up to 180. Okay, if you want to, I want to show you. Yes, complementary angles. A right angle add up to 90 degree, and supplementary angles a straight line add up to 180 degree. So, and a pair of complementary angles. Which pair of in this diagram are complementary angles? The first one is I want to show you E, okay, this straight line and this straight line. When you add up these two angles, the first angle and the second angle, when you add up these two angles, you will get complementary angles. Yes, okay. I'm sorry. So, and what is the pair of supplementary angles? What was a supplementary? Add up to 180. Yes, is A and C is just straight line. So A, D, or the angle of B, angle of also B, maybe angle of also B. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, when you add up to, and you will get 180. So its name is supplementary angles. Okay, and a pair of equal angles. A pair of equal angles. Which one is equal angles, or which one is, how can I say, opposite vertically angles? Yes, opposite vertical angles. And here is straight line AC, and DG also a straight line. So that's why this angle and these angles are equal to each other. So automatically this angle also and this total angle also are equal angles, or how can I say, vertically opposite angles. Okay, and a second exercise. In each diagram, find the value of the angles marked with a letter. Okay, we need to find the x. So in the first diagram, you'll see the straight line and add up to 180. So 112 plus x must be equal to 180 degree because of its this shape is straight line. So what is the x from here? X is equal to 180 minus 112, and x is equal to 68 degree. Yes, the x is equal to 68 degree. And what about x? And as you see here, the sign of right angle, it's right of the sign of right angle and straight line, and we need the complementary angles. So x plus 50 is equal to must be 90 degree, because of is if we have straight line, and the value of totally straight line must be 180, and here we have already we have 90 degree, and here also 50, and what is the x? Exact x is equal to 40 degree. Yes. Okay, and I want to show you D. Okay, that's enough, and others for you, please check yourself, stop the video, and leave your comments to comment part. So, first of all, I solve the vertical opposite. Okay, so y is equal to exactly 57, and also here straight line, and one angle of the straight line is 121. The second one is x, so it's also supplementary angles. What is the x? Is equal to 59. Yeah, 59 degree. Okay, find the value of x in each of these of the following figures. Find the value of x. So in the first figure, we have just straight line and supplementary angles. So x plus 5x is equal to 180. Yes, because of its supplementary angle, straight line. Add up to 180. So 6x is equal to 180 degree. Divide by 6. Tuck. X is equal to is 30 degree. 180 divided by 6 is 30 degree. And what about B? Is complementary angles? Yes, because of its right angle. And x plus 2x is 3x. 3x plus 45 is equal to 90 degree. 3x is equal to 45 goes to the right side, and 90 minus 45. 3x is equal to 45, and we need only just x. That's why I will divide by 3. X is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15. When you put the place of x 15, you will get 90. Okay. So, and C also for you. And I want to give you a clue. What is the clue? Is so it's like circle revolution. If you remember, yes, it was a revolution. So what was the revolution? The total add up to 360, and 2x plus x is 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 150 must be 360. From here you will get, you can find x. Okay, and what about fourth question? Two angles are supplementary, so x plus y is supplementary. Okay, it's straight line. Supplementary means it's straight line and is equal to add up to 180 degree. Okay, the first part of the question is okay solved, and the second part, the first angle is twice the size of second. It's first angle and second angle is twice more than second angle. So is 2 times, or how can I say, x plus 2, yes, 2x plus y is equal to 180. Is correct? What are their size? Yes, what are their size? And the first angle is twice more than second angle. But here we have uh, two different variables. How can I solve this problem? Or let me solve x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Yes. And the first angle is twice more than the second. If the second angle was 40 or 50, we cannot give the any values. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. So what was the problem? Yes, the first angle is twice the size of second. Or you can write the same like terms. 2x plus x is equal to 180. From here, you can find the x, then you can find the y also. 3x is equal to 180 degree, and you will divide by 3. So x is equal to 60. Yes. So if the x is 60, if the x is 60, 2 times 60 and plus y is equal to 180. So 2 times 60 is 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So from here you will get that y is equal to 60 just. But and also x is equal to also 60 and y also 60. Why? Why? So 60 plus 60 is not is equal to 180. Yes. If you find the question, the answers of this question, please send us to comment part. Okay, it's also for you. So supplementary angles. Yes, we had also remind for you angles on a straight line add up to 180 when the sum of two angles is 180. Those two angles are supplementary angles. Okay. Or you can solve from here. For example, how can I say? X plus 180 minus x is equal to 180 degree in for this question I'm solving. And what was the second part of the question? The first angle is twice the size of the second. So first angle of this shape is x and twice of x is 2x. Okay, 2x plus 180 minus x is equal to 180. Yeah, okay. And when you shoot that 180 the right side of the equation, it will get just 0. And 2x is not is equal to just x. So that's why from here also we cannot find the x or y. So if you find a solution, please leave your answers to comment part of the video on a YouTube, and we'll give you marks, positive marks. Angles and parallel lines. Angles and parallel lines. When two parallel lines are cut by a third line, the transversal, 8 angles are formed. These angles form pairs which are related to each other in specific ways. So the types of angles will start in this unit. Types of angles. And the first type of angles is corresponding angles, or letter of F, like F. So this shape is like to F. Can you see? Yes, is like F. So these angles, as you see, also A and B, and also here you can write it C and also D, also equal to each other. C is equal to D and E is equal to B, because of these two straight lines are parallel to each other, and the third line is transversal, is cut by third line, and these angles are corresponding angles. Check your dictionaries. What does it mean, corresponding? You'll find that from dictionaries, corresponding angles. For example, this side and this side are equal. Yeah. So x, y, also x is equal to y. And also this side and this side are t and s. S is equal to t, and blah blah. So these shapes, name of these shapes are corresponding angles. Also this one, C, E, and E, F, G, H. When two parallel lines are cut by transversal, four pairs of corresponding angles are formed. Corresponding angles are equal to each other. And alternate angles. And don't forget, corresponding angles, how can I say, remember the letter of F, okay? F, don't forget F. These two straight lines are parallel, and third line is cut by third line. So name of this line is transversal, and this angle also are equal, as you see, EF and GH, and blah blah. Okay, and alternate angles, ladder of Z, Z, the inverse of Z, and normal Z. Okay, and also you can add this Z also equal these interior angles. So these two straight lines must be parallel to each other. Okay. So when two parallel lines are cut by transversal, two pairs of alternate angles are formed. Alternate angles are equal to each other. So E and J are equal to each other. Also, these interior angles are KL, also must be equal to each other. And co-interior angles, ladder of C, shape like C, or the inverse of C. Okay, so add up to 180 together. They add up to 180 like supplementary angles. Okay, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, two pairs of co-interior angles are formed. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Together, they add up to 180. So M plus M is 180. Sorry. Okay. Uh, yes, there we have some examples. Then we'll finish our lesson. And these angles relationships around parallel lines combined with the other angle relationships from earlier in the chapter are very useful for solving known angles in geometry. Find the size of angles A, B, and C in this figure. So first of all, if you look carefully, you will see that these two straight lines are looking the same side, or that exactly parallel lines. Yes, and parallel lines. And we need A, B, C. There we have many types of finding these unknown letters. And the first one is you can start with triangle. And what is the sum of interior triangles? So it's triangle. What is the interior angles of triangle? Add up to 180. Yes. So uh, 47 plus 62 plus, and what is the third angle of triangle is B is equal to 180 degree. It's first way. Okay. And second way also, if it's straight line and ABC are supplementary angles, yes, ABC plus C is equal to must be 180 degree. Okay, so from here you can find the B, and what is the B? So 47 plus 62 is 119, yeah, and 180 degree minus 119, and then B is equal to 61. 61, yes. Is sorry, 40 plus 60 is 100, 109, and is 71. Yes, B is 71. Okay, now you'll find B is 71. So you can put the place of B 71. Okay, and how can you find A and C? A and C. If you want, as you see, also we have the rule of Z, rule of Z, inverse Z. And what was the alternate angles or Z? Yes, interior angles are equal to each other. So if there's we have A and also must be here also A. Or if there we have 47 and also A must be equal to 47. So A also 47. And what about C? Also we have letter Z, normal Z, 62. C is equal to 62. So A is equal to 47 and B is equal to 71 and C is equal to 62. Calculate the size of all angles marked with variables in the following diagrams. Give reasons. Okay, you'll see this sign is like looking the same sides, and that's why these two angles are parallel. Okay, condition mode of the solving problems, or remember the properties, just we need parallel lines. Okay, the one condition of is parallel lines. It must be parallel line. Then you can solve these properties. You can use these properties. Of also here, this diagram is parallel diagram, and B is equal to A because of two. Sorry, two straight lines are intersect, and it's vertically opposite. So automatically B is equal to A. And here we have the Z, ladder of Z, and interior angles of Z are must be equal to each other. So A is equal to 112. And what was the A? Well, it was B. So also must be 112. B also must be 112. Okay. And I want to show you which one. D. Okay, let's go on D. As you see here, we have two parallel lines. The condition mode is parallel lines. Okay, so okay, and a second, the way of solve this problem is there we have triangles. Triangle. There is we have triangle, and the interior triangles are yes, it's isosceles triangle. So 39 plus 39 plus B must be 180. They add up to 180 interior angles of triangle. So 39 and 39 is 78 plus b is equal to 180 degree. B is equal to 180 degree minus 78, and b is equal to 12. So b is 12. Okay, b is 12. And what about a? How can you find? Yes. So if these two straight lines are parallel, from here, can I use the ladder of z? Yes, as we have z, and this angle are equal, 39. Okay, b was 12 plus 39 plus a is supplementary angle, add up to 180 degree. And here 40 and 51, 180 degree minus 51, and a is equal to 129, 70, 90. Okay, so a is 129. No, is correct? No, it's b is not 12. B is not 12, so sorry. Let me solve again. What was the b? 39 and 39 plus is 100, sorry, 78. Yes, b was 112. Sorry, b was 112 and 112. 112 plus 39 is 1. 180 degree minus is 1, and 4 and 5, so 151 is a. Yes, a is equal to 29 degree. Yeah, okay, a is equal to 29, and this angle is 39, and this angle is 112. If you add all three values, you'll get 180 because of its straight line, and add up to 180. So other examples for you, please solve yourself, because of we have titles also. Or yes, the second example we will solve, and after that we will stop the video lesson. Decide whether AB is parallel to DC in each of these examples. AB is parallel to DC. Okay. Here we have ladder of Z. That's why 60 plus, sorry, not 60 is equal to 60 exactly. Okay. Give a reason for your answer because of its the rule of Z, or alternate angles. That's why, yes, the interior angles of Z are equal to each other. And what about B? AB and DC also parallel. That's why these two angles must be add up to 180. That's why 108 plus 82 is equal to 180. Let me show you. Yes, it's cointer angles. Cointer angles was when two parallel lines are cut by transversal, two pairs of cointer angles are formed. Cointer angles are supplementary together, add up to 180. Okay, letter C. Okay, letter C. And what about C? AB and DC is parallel. And also we can use the rule of alternate angles. And if this side is 105, and also must be 105 is first way, and the second way is co-interior angle is add up to 180. That's why it must be 75, or opposite vertically angles, third ways. Thank you for your attention, and see you the next lesson. Goodbye, guys.